name is Swati Mahapatra and I am the HOD of Diet and Nutrition Department in Amri Hospital, Bhubaneswar. Today I am going to discuss about the National Nutrition Week celebration. National Nutrition Week is celebrated on the 1st September to 7th September. Main purpose of the celebration of National Nutrition Week is to educate the people about the benefit of healthy nutrition and the diet, how we can implement the healthy diet in our life so that we can delay the consequences of different type of diseases and the infection that will catch in our daily lifestyle. The theme of this year 2021 of National Nutrition Week is the feeding smart right from the start, and that is the basically focusing on the persons who are the main person, the pregnant lady, the lady who are in the lactation period, and the baby starting from the birth to up to the 2 years. If we focus this age group of the person's nutrition, so then we can manage to delay the difficulties and infections in the later life of our health. So, main purpose in a pregnant lady, we are focusing the diet, what is the basic diet they have to take during the pregnancy stage, what is the calorie requirement, what is the protein requirement during the pregnancy, and in the lactation how the milk secretion, we can improve the milk secretion so that the baby can able to take the proper nutrition. And after 6 months, when the weaning diet is start, the weaning diet, what is the main cause to start the weaning diet, we are focusing on this theme, this thing that weaning diet is very important after the baby birth, because most of the ladies are not going to give the outside food in the 6 month baby, but that is much more important to give the outside food after 6 months, because the nutrition requirement will be increased after the delivery of the baby and during the after the 6 months. So, the weaning diet, importance of weaning diet, what are the myths are there, what are the wrong concepts are there about the nutrition during the pregnancy and the lactation, we are also focusing on this aspect of the things. Then we are covering the nutrition requirement of the children up to 0 to 6, then 6 to 1 year, after their 1 to 2 years. What the nutrition they have to take, what is the food is best to them for the growth of the brain, growth of the body, and how their height weight is proportional or not, whether the proper nutrition is going to the child or not, because as we see that most of the ladies are working person, they are not giving time to their children and they are giving their child the ready to eat food like Maggie or other things, which is not at all the nutritious food. So, these all things we are educating the people not to give such type of nutrition to your child, because if the child will take this type of nutrition, then they have more prone to be infectious or more prone to be major cause, that is the cause of major diseases like diabetes or hypertension in the very earlier stage of the life. Now, we are seeing most of the young generation with the adolescent girl are coming with iron deficiency, PCOD problems are there due to the wrong intake of the nutrition and the diet. These all things are focusing in the Nutrition Week, National Nutrition Week. All the dietitians in Amri Hospital, we are also going to celebrate our Nutrition Week from 1st September to 7th September. So, you all are invited to join us and see what is the nutritious food you can implement, you can add in your child health, and the pregnancy persons and the lactation persons where the ladies who are giving the feeding to the child, so that they have getting the knowledge of the benefits of nutrition in their lifestyle, and that will help you later to provide your child and the persons a healthy nutrition. Thank you very much.